In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MT5 notifications. By the end, you'll have MetaTrader 5 sending timely alerts to your phone or desktop so you never miss a trade execution or a key price level. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is clear and reliable. Start on your computer with MT5 open. Go to the top menu, choose Tools, then Options, or press Ctrl+O to get there faster. Open the Notifications tab. Turn on Enable Push Notifications. MT5 needs your MetaQuotes ID to know where to send messages. You'll find that ID inside the MT5 mobile app. Open the app on your phone, go to Settings, then Messages, and you'll see your MetaQuotes ID listed there. Copy it carefully and paste it into the field on your desktop. Click the Test button to send a test message. If your phone buzzes or displays a push from MT5, you're connected. Click OK to save. If you don't see anything, double-check that your phone has the MT5 app installed, notifications are allowed in your phone's settings, and the MetaQuotes ID was entered correctly. If you'd like alerts for trading activity, you can enable those in the same Notifications tab. Turn on Notify of Trade Transactions. With that on, MT5 will push a message when an order is executed, when a trade closes, and when your account balance changes. This is especially useful if you run expert advisors or place pending orders and want immediate confirmation without staring at the screen. To get alerts when price hits a level, create a price alert. Press Ctrl+T to open the toolbox, then click the Alerts tab. Right-click inside that area and choose Create. In the alert window, set your condition to price above or price below, pick the correct symbol, and enter the value for your target price. For action, select Notification so it sends a push to your phone. Click OK to save. When the market reaches that level, MT5 will notify you right away. A few quick tips to keep everything consistent. Make sure the MT5 mobile app stays installed and logged in, and allow notifications in your phone's system settings. For certain alerts, especially price alerts created on the desktop, keep your MT5 computer terminal running and connected to the internet so it can deliver messages. If a test doesn't arrive, confirm your MetaQuotes ID, internet connection, and that Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications. That's it. Your MT5 notifications are set up and ready to go.